Sup everybody, Logan from Crypto Videos back with another video. Today we're talking about the Aria protocol token. Ticker symbol is Ariaip. Now this token just went live for pre-market trading. The TGE, the token generation event, will also be occurring soon, so you'll be able to get the full token soon as well. We're going to talk about all that and the info on this project in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Aria is a protocol built on Story, a layer 1 blockchain. It allows anyone to invest in and earn royalties from iconic IP, which was previously inaccessible to most investors. Now the Ariaip token, the new token, just went live for pre-market trading on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get the pre-token, and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code in the description box of this video, and I'm also going to put a QR code in the corner of the screen there as usual, so you guys can easily find these tokens. So basically all you'd have to do is simply just go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the pre-market trading zone and search Ariaip, the ticker symbol, and simply buy the pre-tokens. It is that easy. Now, pre-market trading is an over-the-counter service offered by Mexc that allows users to buy and sell new tokens before they're officially listed on the exchange. This service lets traders set preferred prices and find matching trades, providing an opportunity to trade at favorable prices before the public launch. By participating in Mexc pre-market trading, users can gain a competitive edge before the tokens are officially issued. Staying informed about these trading processes and requirements is essential to maximize your chances of success in these trades. So the full token for the Ariaip will be listed on Mexc as well when the TGE occurs. It doesn't look like they've announced the exact date and time of the TGE yet, but if you follow the Twitter in the corner of the screen there at Aria_protocol, they will announce the TGE date and you could get it then off of Mexc. But for now, you can get the pre-tokens off of Mexc. Now, what can you do with Aria? Well, Aria empowers users to invest in intellectual property, something that was previously inaccessible to all but the biggest players. Aria makes intellectual property IP liquid, meaning that it can be fractionalized and traded. Users are able to access part of the IP as an investment instead of purchasing the entire asset, which could cost millions of dollars. When doing so, you are effectively purchasing a claim to the future potential revenue that asset will generate. With this, you can hold and stake it to keep collecting royalties, or sell it to another buyer on a decentralized marketplace. Aria additionally allows creators to control how their assets are licensed and remixed. Where this is desired by the creator, Aria tokenizes the IP and programmable features, allowing creators to control how their IP is licensed through on-chain smart contracts that automate permissions, attribution, and payouts. Now, how does Aria work? Well, Aria allows users to purchase what we call IP RWA, intellectual property real-world asset tokens. IP RWA tokens are fungible tokens backed by a portfolio of real-world IP asset rights acquired by Aria protocol. These give token holders exposure to royalties associated with the works. There are 3 basic steps in the life cycle of IPRWA: fundraising, staking, and royalty collection. Step 1, fundraising. Before intellectual property can be tokenized and the royalties distributed, it must first be bought. This is done through a system Aria calls vaults. Vaults also allow users to send USDC to a fundraiser. Once the fundraiser goal is reached, Aria will finalize the purchase of the intellectual property and begin collecting the royalties from the purchased IP assets. The user who participated in the fundraise will get a share of the IPRWA tokens representing the assets proportional to the amount that they contributed to the fundraiser. If a fundraise goal is not reached, users are able to reclaim their deposits for a full refund. Once the intellectual property has been tokenized and distributed to users, they are able to stake it in order to earn royalties. Staking is how users earn a share of royalties from the underlying IP assets of Aria tokens. While staked, users will earn royalties collected from the underlying assets of the IPRWA token. Once staked, an IPRWA becomes an STIPRWA, a staked version of the token that accrues royalty rewards over time. An example of an IPRWA token is APL, and we can use this to illustrate how royalties work. At launch, the exchange rate is 1-to-1 for STAPL to 1 APL, as royalties from the portfolio are collected off-chain and used to buy back APL on the open market. These tokens are deposited into the staking pool, increasing the amount of APL backing each STAPL. As a result, the value of STAPL gradually increases relative to APL. For example, over time, 1 STAPL might be worth 1.05 or 1.1 APL depending on royalty performance. So you get the idea of that here. Now, what exactly are IPRWA tokens? A new asset class at the heart of how Aria operates. Historically, access to valuable intellectual property has been limited to large institutions and industry insiders. Aria changes that by bringing IP on-chain through these IPRWA tokens. And you can learn more about that at their document section, docs.ariaprotocol.xyz. You can get the pre-tokens as of today on Mexc Global, and the full token will be listed on there when the TGE occurs. So check out all the referral codes down there. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.